Hello friends, Assalamu-O-ALAIKUM. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn English with Oneza. Let's read and learn Oxford Modern English, 3rd edition for grade 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 7, part 1, The Drone. Complete lesson, Urdu translation and solved exercise. 7th lesson, The Drone. Wasif's dad is very clever. He has a workshop. He makes lots of useful things. Look, Wasif, said Dad one day. He showed Wasif a small machine. It had 4 legs. It had 4 small fans. They were all joined by pieces of wire. Wow, said Wasif. Can it fly, Dad? Oh yes, said Dad. It can fly. It can take photos. It can take a video too. It is called a drone. He showed Wasif a tiny camera on the drone. I hope it works, said Dad. You carry the drone. I will bring my cell phone. Why, Dad? Asked Wasif. We use the cell phone to control the drone, said Dad. Press a number and the drone will work. Dad showed Wasif a piece of paper. 1 up, 2 down, 3 left, 4 right, 5 forward, 6 back. Dad and Wasif put the drone on the ground. Dad pressed some numbers. The drone buzzed. It went up into the air. Look, look, said Dad. He showed Wasif the video on the phone. Wasif could see the street, the trees and all the roofs. Wasif clapped and shouted. Dad smiled. Stop, shouted Wasif. Go back to that tree. I saw something there. Dad pressed 6 and the drone came back. I can see my cat Sheba on a branch, said Wasif. She can't come down. Dad landed the drone. He and Wasif got a tall ladder. Dad climbed up and brought Sheba down. Sheba was very happy. She meowed and meowed. That is a great machine, said Wasif. Words to know. Clever.
ज़हीन होशियार.
Workshop.
वर्कशॉप कारखाना.
Useful.
मुफीद.
Joined.
जोड़ा गया.
Pieces.
टुकड़े.
Wire.
तार.
Fly.
परवास उड़ना.
Showed.
दिखाया.
Hope.
उम्मीद.
Street.
गली.
Roof.
छत.
Clapped.
ताली बजाई.
Shouted.
चलाया.
Branch.
शाख.
Landed.
उतारा. उतरा.
Ladder.
सीढ़ी.
Brought.
लाया.
Great.
ज़बरदस्त.
Translation. The drone.
ड्रोन.
Wasif's dad is very clever.
वासिफ के अब्बू बहुत ज़हीन है.
He has a workshop.
उसकी एक वर्कशॉप है.
He makes lots of useful things.
वो बहुत से मुफीद चीज़ें बनाता है.
Look, Wasif, said Dad one day.
देखो वासिफ, एक दिन अब्बू ने कहा.
He showed Wasif a small machine.
उन्होंने वासिफ को एक छोटी सी मशीन दिखाई.
It had 4 legs. It had 4 small fans.
इसके 4 टांगे थी, 4 छोटे पंखे थे.
They were all joined by pieces of wire.
ये सारे छोटी तारों के टुकड़ों से जुड़े हुए थे.
Wow, said Wasif. Can it fly, Dad?
वाओ, वासिफ ने कहा. अब्बू, क्या ये उड़ सकता है?
Oh yes, said Dad.
हाँ हाँ, अब्बू ने कहा.
It can fly. It can take photos.
ये उड़ सकता है, ये तस्वीरें बना सकता है.
It can take a video too. It is called a drone.
ये वीडियो भी बना सकता है, इसे ड्रोन कहते हैं.
He showed Wasif a tiny camera on the drone.
उन्होंने वासिफ को ड्रोन पर एक छोटा सा कैमरा दिखाया.
I hope it works, said Dad.
मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये काम करता है, अब्बू ने कहा.
You carry the drone. I will bring my cell phone.
आप ड्रोन ले जाओ, मैं अपना सेल फोन लेकर आऊँगा.
Why, Dad? asked Wasif.
क्यों अब्बू? वासिफ ने पूछा.
We use the cell phone to control the drone, said Dad. Press a number and the drone will work.
हम ड्रोन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए सेल फोन इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अब्बू ने कहा. कोई नंबर दबा दे तो ड्रोन काम करेगा.
Dad showed Wasif a piece of paper.
अब्बू ने वासिफ को कागज का एक टुकड़ा दिखाया.
1 up, 2 down, 3 left, 4 right, 5 forward, 6 backward.
एक ऊपर, 2 नीचे, 3 बाएं, 4 दाएं, 5 आगे, 6 पीछे.
Dad and Wasif put the drone on the ground.
अब्बू और वासिफ ने ड्रोन को ज़मीन पर रखा.
Dad pressed some numbers.
अब्बू ने कुछ नंबर दबाए.
The drone buzzed. It went up into the air.
ड्रोन से बस की आवाज़ आई. ये हवा में बुलंद हुआ.
Look, said Dad. He showed Wasif the video on the phone.
देखो देखो, अब्बू ने कहा. उन्होंने वासिफ को फ़ोन पर वीडियो दिखाई.
Wasif could see the street, the trees, and all the roofs.
वासिफ गली, दरख्त और तमाम छतों को देख सकता था.
Wasif clapped and shouted. Dad smiled.
वासिफ ने ताली बजाई और चिल्लाया. अब्बू मुस्कुराए.
Stop! shouted Wasif. Go back to that tree. I saw something there.
रुकिए, वासिफ चिल्लाया. दरख्त की तरफ वापस जाइए, मैंने वहाँ कुछ देखा.
Dad pressed 6 and the drone came back.
अब्बू ने 6 का हिंसा दबाया और ड्रोन वापस आया.
I can see my cat Sheba on a branch, said Wasif. She can't come down.
मैं अपनी बिल्ली शीबा को एक शाह पर देख सकता हूँ, वासिफ ने कहा. वो नीचे नहीं आ सकती.
Dad landed the drone.
अब्बू ने ड्रोन को नीचे उतारा.
He and Wasif got a tall ladder.
उन्हों और वासिफ ने एक लंबी सीढ़ी ली.
Dad climbed up and brought Sheba down.
अब्बू ऊपर चढ़ गए और शीबा को नीचे उतारा.
Sheba was very happy. She meowed and meowed.
शिबा बहुत खुश थी। शिबा ने म्याऊं म्याऊं की।
That is a great machine, said Wasif.
ये एक ज़बरदस्त मशीन है, वासिफ ने कहा।
Exercises. A. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. How is Wasif's dad clever? Wasif's dad is clever because he makes lots of useful things in his workshop. What did dad make? Dad made a drone. How did dad make the drone come back? Dad made the drone come back by pressing number 6. What did Wasif shout? Why? Stop, because he saw his cat Sheba. Where was Sheba? Sheba was stuck in a tree. What did Wasif think of the drone? Wasif thought of the drone, that is a great machine. B. Working with words. 1. Put these words in the correct order to make a sentence. Write the sentences in your notebook. Clever, very, dad, Wasif's is. Wasif's dad is very clever. Will my phone I sell bring? I will bring my cell phone. Pressed dad numbers some. Dad pressed some numbers. A Sheba can branch see on I. I can see Sheba on a branch. 2. Use these words in sentences. Drone. Ali killed in drone attack. Ladder. He climbed on a tree by ladder. Landed. The plane landed at 8 o'clock. Joined. Ali joined the football team. C. Learning about language. Using capital letters and full stops. 1. Write your name and phone number in your book. Use a capital letter for your name. 2. Read this sentence. Amir lives in Karachi. We use a capital letter to write the names of people. We use a capital letter to write the names of places. We use a full stop at the end of a sentence. Write correct sentences in your notebook using capital letters and full stops. Start each sentence on a new line. Mr. Ali goes to the bank. Mrs. Ali works in Lahore. Salman likes playing football. Sana writes long stories. Tariq lives in New York. D. Listening and speaking. 1. Listen and repeat the words. Mat, mate, hat, hate, note, note, rob, robe, kit, kite, fin, fine, pin, pine, sit, sight. 2. Can you think of words to add to the lists above? Mad, made, hop, hope, bit, bite. Pip, pipe. 3 is shown in D1 words change when we add a at the end. What do the words become when you add e at the end of the word? When we add e at the end of a word, the pronunciation and meaning of the word change. 4. Work in pairs. Tell your friend what you do every day. Then let your friend tell you what she does every day. Here are some words to use. I wake up early morning, clean my face, brush my teeth, and then pray. Take breakfast and go to school. Come back from school, then eat bread and drink milk. After that, play with my friends at night. I read and do my homework and go to sleep. E. Activity 2. Who won the race? Look at this picture. Write first, second, third, fourth, and fifth with the pictures on the next page. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.